Good morning, you guys! Today we're going to make fried rice with sausage for breakfast. So, let's get cooking!
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map.
Check out the ingredients and the items you'll need.
Bought the car my junior year. There's cable
Alright, let's get cooking!
you can pick our soundtrack.
Heat up a large pot over medium-high heat. Put cooking spray or 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Whisk 3 large eggs and season with white or black pepper. And sprinkle with fine chopped spring onions. Whisk again until well blended. Turn the heat to medium and pour the mixture. Allow the mixture to set and solidify for 1 to 2 minutes. Gently scrape and stir to form scrambled eggs, but do not overcooked.
Sail out to New York City.
Immediately transfer into a bowl and set them aside for later. Using the same pot, put 1 tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat.
Now let's cook the sausage.
Put the slices of lapchang or sausages and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. While the sausages are cooking, let's have a sip of coffee. But mine is decaf though. In a small bowl, put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of mirin. Then a teaspoon of shoyu or soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then mix the sauce mixture and set aside. Push the cooked sausages to the side. Then add the chopped shallots. Sauté until translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Sauté until fragrant. While the condiments are cooking, season the cold rice with salt and break them up using a fork. Then add the rice right away. Stir until well combined. Then pour the sauce mixture. Give it a good stir once again. Season with ground black pepper and add as much as you like. And don't forget to stir once again. Mix the scrambled eggs.
Travel light and see the world right
Then topped with finely chopped spring onions.
away with me.
Taste test time!
Down streets and tell me that you don't
It's tasty, you guys!
dirty. Ain't throwing us a wink or is she?
Mmm! If you like it spicy, you may add red pepper flakes.
And say hello to New York City.
Yay!
Here you go, my lapchang or Chinese sausage fried rice. Enjoy!
Today we're going to make